Hello everybody, and welcome to week number 17, which is also going to be part of week number 18 as well with this assignment. This is the last recording for the music exploration, music appreciation coursework for the semester. So I'm going to go through the assignments in red here, or the assignment. It's a 2-week assignment, and I will go ahead and run through what's required to get the assignment completed. So if you notice right here, it's in red using the Grandstaff Sheets and Finale Notepad. And in this case, it's just the Finale Notepad program. If you're doing this by hand, you would get the Grandstaff Sheets up here. But anyway, using Finale Notepad, students are to create a simple piece in ABA form. Assignment should be a minimum of 12 measures where the middle B section emphasizes the pitch G, and both A sections should emphasize the note C. This is to be completed by Friday of next week, which is week 18. Take your time with this assignment and listen to how it sounds. Try to make it sound like a melody of some kind and maybe try some words. This will be your original composition. Alright, so what I'm going to do is show you how to put something like this in ABA form, and just show you the simplicity of it all. We know that this is going to be 12 measures long, so if you look on here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then at the end they have this big measure. Okay, now that adjusts as you put the notes in, and I made it simple too. I put it in 2/4 times, so there's only 2 beats per measure, so it's not real difficult to do it this way. There's not as many notes, but you can do it in 4/4 time, which is the more common time signature, or 3/4 time, whichever one you want to do. Now, knowing that it's 12 measures and it's ABA form, you can do it mathematically and say, okay, and say that since we have it in ABA form, that's 3 sections, how many measures can be per section? Well, if you divide 3 into 12, we'll see there's 4 measures per section, so this will all be A. So let's say with the emphasis on C for the first and the third sections, when I had mentioned, or where it's mentioned on the assignment, let me see if I can get it over here, that the B section should emphasize G and both A sections should emphasize the note C. If it's ABA, it should be emphasis of C, then emphasis of G, and back to emphasis of C. So let's move on to how we would do this. So I'm just going to make this up on the fly. I want to just make it real simple. And notice how I'm emphasizing a lot of C's here, and it's really simple to do that. And I'm using the entire Grandstaff. And here's this B section. Remember, there's 4 measures for A, 4 measures for B, and I'm putting G's up here to kind of emphasize it, so kind of help things out. It's a simple way of doing it, but at the same time it does fulfill the task where you have the emphasis on the letters underneath and up above. All right, so you have C's down here and then G's for this B section. Okay. And you can want to, okay, and then just add this. Whoops. And remember, I'm just making this up as I go. And then this is the A section again. Oops. And remember, all the emphasis on this A section at the end should emphasize C. So I'm just going to keep on putting the C's here. And then this is an original. So when I say listen to it and see if you like it and you can make adjustments, you would listen to it by pressing the and it's really easy to check it out. If you like it, keep it. If not, then make some adjustments on it. But this is a composition that you're putting together based on the things that we've done with daily rhythm from the very beginning, the daily rhythm and melody. So it's using the structure. We one time made ABA form, all right, and we continue to do that through the weeks, and now we're trying to put something together with this emphasis between the C, the G, back to C again. But give it a try. Like I said, you have a couple weeks and see what you can come up with. It's a fun assignment. I think you'll enjoy it. You might want to try putting some words to it, see if you have a knack at songwriting, and take it from there. All right, so without saying any more, good luck on this, and I hope to see some real original things next week. Make sure you put your name because you are the author. Thank you, and have a good week, everybody. Bye-bye.